Good evening. Our question for tonight's Ask Daddy Google is how to become zero to hero. We know for the fact that not all of us are born with the same amount of power. Not all of us are born with the same amount of money. Not all of us are born with the same amount of opportunities. Not all of us are born with the same amount of connections, power. But all of us are born with the same set of limbs. So, it doesn't mean that our past decides our future. Some of us start from zero. Some of us start from nothing. But it doesn't prevent us to become nothing to something. To become nobody to somebody. To become zero to hero. Okay? So now, we have to understand that being poor is not a curse. Being from nothing is not a title. In fact, if you start with nothing, that's freedom. That's power. Because if you start with nothing, you have nothing to lose. Unsa may mawani mo kung wala nakadaan, wala nagalidaan, so wala nagimawa. So bisa pag unsay atong sugdan kay wala naman tadaan, so walay mawala. But remember, there's only one thing that connects zero to hero, that's decision. The day that you decide it's over. The day you decide tama na, sobra na, palitan na. The day you decide ikapoy na ka. The day you decide di na luod na kaayo. Di na ko kapoy na kaayo, permintilan ta na sa balay, rat in bed, tapulan, hugawan, burara, ikapoy na ko. Diba? The day that you decide to start is the day you start of becoming one. Okay, so muna siya ang atong mindset. Okay, so number one, unsaon man. Number one, of course, believe. Mutuo ka sa imong kaugalingon. Believe in yourself. Nga naman, kay kung dili ka mutuo sa imong kaugalingon, nobody else will. You have to believe first in yourself, then others will also believe in you. Kaya kung dili manggaling ka mo tuo sa imong kaugalingon, ang imong pabakang silingan. Sumutuo ka kung kaya ni Juan, kaya po ni Pedro. So you have to believe. Dili po sobrang believe. Just simply believe sa imong kaugalingon. Muna ingon sa akong isuon, walang mahirap sa magaling, pero maraming magagaling na nagkahirap-hirap. Just simply believe. Kaya ingon ang Bible. Even if your faith is as small as a mustard seed, you can move mountains. See? With a small amount of belief matters. Kung mutuo ka, na ay mahimo. Diba? So, it always starts from your thoughts na mituo ka. Okay, next. Of course, now that you believe, you have to take action. Action determines your results. Nothing will happen in this world if they did not take action. Wala'y mahitabo ng kalibutan kung ang mga tao sa una, wala may take action. Ni stuck ra, wala, dili. You have to take action for something to happen. Okay? Mabitaw ang salida, ang ingon is what? Lights, camera, action. Sumunang mahitabo ang film. Whether pag action na ay sayop o dili, at least nag-action para na ay mahitabo. Walay mahitabo kung wala kay himuon. Okay? Your thoughts becomes things only if you take action. But as you do the action, you will face rejection. You will face discrimination. Okay, so dito na dayon ang problema. Remember, as you take action, pains are your fuel to continue. Alright? And failures and mistakes are your training ground. So if you have a product today, kinana kay sideline, ayaw pa expect na tanang baligaan ni mo ana, mupalit. You always face rejections and discriminations. Kay nga naman, lisod po tanan mamalit. Pero pag dili sa mapalit, your failures and mistakes are your training ground. Practice lang to siya. Dapat igpalit. Oo, di ba? So your failures and mistakes are your training ground. And your past is your plot twist. Buti pasabot, your past doesn't 100% define your future. Okay? Pangit man po ng salida kung walay plot twist. Mas nindot siya, mas colorful kung kanabitang mingon sila nga sus kato siya. Wagi ko magtuo nga may ngana siya. Sus, unod ro mga ito sa sus kato siya. So, muna gitawagan na ay plot twist sa imong story. Of course, you have to believe na ay plot twist. Okay? You have to believe na ay plot twist kay para nindot ang story. Okay? Next. Next is consistency. Yung pa nila, consistency is the key. So, meaning, dili pwede nga ay kaapoy man karon ay laay man karon ay ugma na po dili nganuman. Ang boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So, you need a sustained amount of energy, sustained amount of power to make it boiled. Dili pwede nga palong siga. Suway gali nga pag magpabuka kag tubig, palungon. Tapos siga. Mabuntagan na lang ka. Dili gid na mo bukal. Di ba? Dili kinabukal. Consistency is the key. Ang pautana, asay mas gahi, tubig o bato. Okay? Ang mayroon ng tubig, suway na kung hapak ang bato. Tanaw na kung asay mas gahi. Anyway, sustained release of energy, sustained amount of drops, sustained drops of water breaks the stone. Okay? So meaning, bisag unsa pa nakagahi, sa sigig, padayon, o drops, tulo ang tubig, ang bato, mahimo ginasiyang balas. Okay? So, ana na siya. So, and always remember, the last stroke of the hammer breaks the stone. The last stroke, not the first strike. The last stroke of the hammer breaks the stone. So, buti pasabot, you need a lot of strike for it to be broken. That's what you call consistency. Okay? So, kung naata karon at the bottom of our life, naata sa rock bottom, to tell you honestly, you have no way but to go up. To go up, or to stay there. So that's your decision. But if you decide to go up, meaning na may tabo. Okay? So don't just stay there. Okay, wala naman kay painan, rock bottom naman. Mo naman yung last. Okay, so kung tan-aw nimo murag negative yun, decide. Then you will go places. Okay? So the moment you decide, that's the time na may tabo. Remember, if you continue doing what you have always done, you will get what you have always got. Okay, so that's all for tonight. So if you have questions, drop your comments below and ask Daddy Google.